Tired of using the same old indicators and want to unlock a new level of personalized market analysis? Let's dive into how to create your own custom indicators using TradingView's Pine script. First, open TradingView and bring up the chart you want to work with then. At the bottom, click on the Pine Editor tab to open up the scripting environment. Click the New button and select New Indicator. This will give you a basic template to start with. Notice the first line, Indicator, where you can set the title of your indicator. Make sure to set the title so you can easily find it then. The overlay dictates whether it will be displayed on the chart itself or in a separate window. Now, let's write some code. This is where you define the calculations your indicator will perform. For example, you could create a simple moving average. You'll define a variable. Assign it the value of the moving average function with your source data and length. To display your calculations on the chart, use the plot function. Specify what variable you want to plot. You can also customize the color and style of the plot for better visibility. For example, we can plot our moving average like this plot. Variable color equals color blue. Once you've written your code, click the Add to Chart button at the top of the Pine editor. If there are no errors, your custom indicator will appear on the chart. Congratulations! You've successfully created your own custom indicator in TradingView. Now, experiment, refine your code, and tailor your indicators to fit your specific trading strategy.